Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change the text style in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to change text style in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send a text with your changed text style. And after that, start to type a message over here on the search bar. Let's say for a demo text, I'll be just typing in text. Now, in order to change the text style in Viber, select the text which you want to change the text style on. And after selecting, guys, you can see a box up here where it says cut, copy, share, bold. And at the right side of the bold, there is a three-dotted icon on this box. Tap on it and you will get the different text styles Viber has over here. For example, let's tap on strike through, and you can see, guys, the text style has been changed. Or you can just input these indications on the top and the left of the text which appear. For example, asterisk goes for bold text like this, that the text will be bolded. So we can try this for another text. Let's for example again, text demo. Now let's tap and hold on it, and let's tap on the three-dotted icon at the right side, and you can see the text over here. Tap on italic if you want it to be, and another text, and tap on the three-dotted icon, and again whichever you want. And you can see, guys, the text style in Viber has been changed. And guys, this is how to change text style in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.